Okay, as you already see, I have the earring. This is copper made in Istanbul, Turkey, with cute pearls. These are like eye tears. And this statement piece is very special if you want to look different. I also have the brooch. Look at the brooch. Wow, with turquoise, with crystals and these little pearls. This is kind of big. You can have it and where you wish for. And this is a ring. I love the ring. The ring is adjustable. You see, so you can adjust it on your finger size. I'm going to show you. That's the ring. How do you like this special collection? Wow, look at this. See the different sizes? Look. Oh my God, that's beautiful, don't you think so?